friends, welcome to the Maybe Investor educational video series. How are you doing? I hope you're having good time in the markets. Okay, so here I am back with our technical analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's straight away jump to the charts. Okay. Okay, so here we have Nifty chart. As always, let's start with the long-term view. I mean the overall view, I would say. Okay, so this is the Nifty weekly chart. Ignore this volume frame. I just have it for reference, but I don't use it for any of the analysis right now. Okay, so this is our long-term trend line, which was breached during the Corona crash, so that's fine. Okay, now most interesting things which we have to know right now from our analysis point of view is what is happening right now and what we should expect from the market in the most important index, Nifty, right? Okay, so we talked about the golden ratio last month. The most important thing we talked about last month was this golden ratio. This golden ratio, how did it come? Using the Fibonacci retracement. We take the retracement of the previous Corona fall, the recent Corona fall last year. Just put the Fibonacci levels and you see 161.8% retracement comes to 15,465 approximately. Okay, so and as I said last time, this is considered to be very important level for any chart. Okay, and we have seen now after 1 month of time spent by Nifty why this is so important. You can see now Nifty did not breach it. We were expecting either some kind of a bigger correction, okay, or a time wise correction. Okay, not much price fall, but time spent in this area. That's what happened. Although Nifty didn't fall so much, so big to be called significant correction, but it is spending a lot of time now. This whole month is gone in at this level. So if I switch to daily chart now, okay, you will realize that, right? This is that Fibonacci level here where it corrected and just spending time, right? If you see here, and what it is doing right now is it has made a little bit small downtrending channel. It's not really too much of downtrending channel as such, just downward facing direction, little bit. You can call it flat, and we can, for all practical purposes, we can call it flat channel actually. Okay, so you see in these these are perfect parallel lines. In these two parallel lines, it is trying to trade right now. Okay, and this is what we expect, right? So it is trading in this channel. It may continue to trade inside this channel for some more time. It's not too old. It's not like a lot of time. It's just 1 month. Nifty can, market can sometime do very long consolidation as well. So we can't really say that right now immediately it will bounce. Another important part, now if we try to find out the support levels, first of all, one very important support is achieved here, here in this area. Why? What is this support? See this horizontal line which I have put in? It is basically the budget day gap area. That's where we were expecting it should take support. It did get support. Okay, and after that now it is bouncing. Let me remove this circle. Now it is bouncing again. Oh, forget the circle. Now it is bouncing again, but now if you see, I have some now first of all, it has broken this trend line. You see this trend line? It's a very good trend line, 3 touch points, 4th time it has broken down, and now this trend line is resisting it. Okay, this trend line is an important thing to beat. Nifty has not beaten it yet. Okay, well, it is trying to go up. If it can beat that, we can hope that it can still at least go to the upper side of the channel and continue to trade inside, at least at the minimum. If it fails here, then we have further test of this support. on the downward side. So let us see, but these are the important levels. This support where it received on 25th March low, you can say 14,250 kind of zone. Okay, and from this trend line, which is the current high area, in between we have to see what happens. Okay, but we know the boundaries: lower side, higher side channel, the support area. Okay, if support holds, it can consolidate for some more time and then continue the trend upward. That's what our view is. Okay, but if it drops down, it breaks this channel downward, you have more problems. Okay, you have 100 200 DMA, which are 100 DMA is getting closer, but 200 DMA, which is more significant, is quite far, very far. So hope that this support holds and it doesn't go there. All right, so that's what we understand right now for Nifty. Okay, but the important point is that it has just consolidated, not broken down so much. Underlying market, the broader market, the mid cap and small cap are very resilient. Even when Nifty was making these big red candles in between, mid cap was not breaking down, even though some of them may have corrected a little bit. Okay, but that's it is outperforming, to say the least. And we should, that gives a sense that Nifty also may not break down so much with so much of strength, and we should continue to confidently trade in at least in mid and small cap, if not in large caps, right? So that is all for now for this month on Nifty. Let's go to Bank Nifty quickly. Okay, Bank Nifty also, I forgot that. All right, so from in the daily chart, in the weekly chart, we have the same picture, not much difference. Okay, but the point where it has stopped going up was another important, not as significant as golden ratio, but important 127.2% level. That's where Bank Nifty had stopped going up, and then now it is trading in a perfect parallel channel, just like Nifty. The difference now is Bank Nifty is little bit weaker. It also has a trend line, but it has broken down. Even from the channel, it has spilled down one day. Okay, so one day we can give it a discount. All right, but this trend line is broken down, and significantly, by a good amount, and it more or less could resist. Okay, so Bank Nifty is the weaker link for the Nifty, and Bank Nifty has to gain some more strength to be able to support the uptrend. Right now it looks like a little bit bearish for Bank Nifty, if not for Nifty. Okay, so that is how it looks like. So that is all for this month on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, keep trading confidently as we give you the direction in the overall market. If you are interested in our Stocks Neta, which is monthly journal, you can contact me. And till then, happy trading. Bye bye.